Hi, this is a short demonstration of the pathway prediction function in the enviPath application. We'll start by navigating to the Pathway tab on the top menu, and then we'll go to the Actions menu on the right to create a new pathway. We can give it a name, and we'll put in the smiles input of the compound that we want to start with. Now there's a render button on the right that we can click that will produce a graphical representation of the smiles input that we have entered to ensure that we've entered it correctly, and then we can press advanced at the bottom to proceed. Now if we don't already have a settings object created for the pathway prediction, we can create a new one. After pressing next, we can give this setting a name, and then we can select the package that is closest to the pathway that we're going to predict. We can then press next, and then we can select a relative reasoning that is already trained to produce the prediction, and then we can set a cutoff. Now this cutoff is a probability threshold that we keep or trim the reactions between educts and products. We'll leave it at 0.5 and see what the results give us. And then this evaluation type at the bottom is to choose between single or multiple generations type of prediction, which we'll elaborate further separately. And then we click next. This is where we choose the kind of truncators you want to use, and if you're happy with the settings, you can click next. And then this is a final summary page with all the settings that you have chosen, and then we click submit when you're happy, and then it will take you to this page of the pathway. You see this is still running, and this will pop up when new results are ready, and then we'll see that the pathway is ready with the tick here, and this was produced with a threshold of 0.5, and I've separately produced with the same setting but with a threshold of 0.1, which looks like this. You see that more reactions are kept, and if you lay your cursor over, you'll see that the probability of this edge was 0.1, so therefore it was kept in this setting but trimmed out in the other setting. And then for the higher generations, you'll also see the base probability for the edge on why it is kept. Thank you for your attention.